Cheetah, okay, you are still tracking the remnants of Ida, but we also have new activity in the tropics.
We do. We're extremely busy right now. You have to remember that the peak of hurricane season is September the 10th. So while we want to think that Ida has made landfall, it is going to continue to weaken and move to the northeast. We very much have to keep our eye out on the open Atlantic right now. Tropical Storm Kate going to stay in the Atlantic. It is the wave just off the coast of Africa. It has a 90% chance of becoming Larry in the next 2 days. We are also monitoring this area. The National Hurricane Center has its eye here. This is actually where Ida did develop, and right now a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. So not a specific wave to tell you about at this point, but all in all, the big picture is we're still very hot right now across the Atlantic, and we're going to have several weeks that we're probably going to continue to monitor waves just like we are. This is Ida, so notice the heaviest rain moving through Tennessee right now. This is going to continue to lift northward, and as it does, it will continue to weaken. The center of circulation is right over Tupelo. Are you familiar with Tupelo? I've spent a little bit of time there myself. Well, anyway, the center of circulation, as it moves northward, it is going to lift the heaviest rain bands to the northeast. I thought I would check in on Houma, on New Orleans, in southeast Louisiana, and they're still dealing with on and off showers to even potential heavy bands just even this morning. So they're not completely out of it. They're still dealing with some breezy winds at time and already still dealing with some of that rain. Flood advisories in effect draped across the eastern portion of our country. We will talk more about our local forecast in just a little bit. Steph, I'll send it over to you.
Okay, and hopefully staying dry for the morning commute. We see dry roads out there right now. Just a